Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to save or export table as image with Kutools for Excel. Kutools for Excel's export range as graphic feature can also save any table or selection as a PNG, JPG, TIF and GIF image easily in Excel. Please do as follows. Select the table you will save as an image. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list and click on the export range as graphic feature. In the export range as graphic dialog box, please click on the browse button to specify the destination folder you will save the image in. Click the OK button. Select an image format from the export format drop-down list. Click the OK button. In the second export range as graphic dialog box, please type a name for the image. And click the OK button. In the export range as graphic dialog box, please click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now the selected table is exported and saved as an image in the specified image format. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.